What is this? Who wants this? He crushed the note and asked, who wants this? Again he dropped the 500 rupees, ground it with his shoe, picking a filthy crushed note and asked, who still wants this? His hands were up in the air. Then he started to describe the main purpose of doing that. Why I am doing this? Listen, dear children, we have learned a very valuable lesson. What was done to the money? It was still wanted because it did not decrease in value. Yes or no? It was still worth 500 rupees. Listen carefully, children. We may feel sometimes we are worthless, but we would not feel disheartened, even in the face of dangers. Okay, children? We should face and overcome all the obstacles. Okay, children, will you do it? Thank you.